Hi everybody. In the last class we have discussed till how the nerve impulses are passing through the synaptic knob or cleft to another muscle or a neuron. So now we are going to discuss little bit in depth about the central nervous system. So if you see the central nervous system comprises of brain and spinal cord. So here in the brain and spinal cord, the brain is protected very much inside a bony cavity known as the skull, and that skull is covered with brain is covered with a meninges. That is the from where the nerve cells originate. They are known as a cranial meninges, and just below this cranial meninges we are having dura mater. Then we have arachnoid matter. The arachnoida means something like a network of spider web. Then we have pia matter, and these brain is further divided into forebrain, midbrain, and hindbrain. And these are the parts of forebrain, midbrain, and hindbrain. That means forebrain consists of cerebrum, cerebral hemisphere, then the midbrain consists of hypothalamus and thalamus, and the hindbrain consists of cerebellum, pons, and cons. Pons, sorry, pons and cons. These two structures are present in the brain. And forebrain. If you can thinking about the forebrain is consist of cerebrum, thalamus, hypothalamus. Both are present there, and the brain is divided into two hemispheres, which we call it as cerebral hemispheres. And these two cerebral hemispheres are connected together by a network of nerve fibers known as corpus callosum. And the cerebral hemisphere, the cerebral cortex area, it is grayish in color, and neural bodies end up there, and its associated complexes, they are helping us for the communication purpose. And next we are having the hypothalamus. This hypothalamus is a control the body temperature, urge of drinking and eating, and it consists of neurosensory cell walls, secrete of hormones, hypothalamic hormones. That means they are controlling the master gland, that is pituitary gland. All the nerve cells end there. And in the midbrain we are having cerebral aqueduct. Cerebral aqua means water, duct means channel, and we have corpus quadrigemina, which is considered the round swelling over them. And toward the hindbrain we have the pons, cerebellum, and the medulla. They are controlling all the involuntary actions that takes place over there. And next one that we are called as a reflex arc or reflex action. This reflex arc or reflex action you have a little bit studied in 10th standard. That means how the body is responding to a stimulus. For example, if we see here, when a body touches to a nail, this message will be taken to the spinal cord by an afferent pathway, and the spinal cord will take the decision, and the message will come to the motor end plate. That means the muscular end plate through an afferent pathway. Then the message will go to the brain, so that we will feel the pain afterwards, getting a burn or something. Then we have the sensory receptors processing. Sensory receptors we are having in the eyes and ear, which also are having the controls, help in controlling the body functioning and other things. So we will study that sensory receptor parts in the coming weeks, and we will go in detail also what about these parts of this brain, its function. This is just a brief of this. So in the online classes we will go in deep. Thank you.